By blocking your interfacing, what it means to do is taking your fabric and your interfacing and putting them together first before cutting out your pieces. So what I like to do to save fabric is to first find out how much I need, and then basically just cut that chunk out around so that I'm not overusing my fabric. So now I know that my piece will fit on this fabric. And then going to attach my interfacing. And now that it's all one piece, I can go and I can cut out my piece that needs interfacing on it directly from the two that are already attached to each other. This way they're all one piece and it's easier in the long run because you're not worrying about the fabric shifting when you're trying to attach it to the interfacing as cutting them as two separate pieces.